Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to give you an outfit idea for school theme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, the first one guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then we're going to wear this top. Okay, I'm going to color the tie with this color, oops, with black color. Okay, then I'm going to go to this area and wear the suit. Okay, and then we're going to change the toggle to 3 and we're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and for the button I'm going to color it black. Okay, and then let's go to the skirt area and we're going to wear this skirt and you can apply the same pattern. And for the button I'm going to make it black as well. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, for the second selection, make it black. Okay, then I'm going to wear this shoe and add sock, and then I'm going to color the sock white. And the next one, we're going to go to this area and wear the sock, make it high. Oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong item. Okay, we're going to make it high and make the color white. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this bag. Wait, let me go to this area and I'm going to wear this bag. Okay, I'm going to color it brown. Oops, dark brown. And the last one, we're going to wear this cap. Okay, and apply the same pattern. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.